With the permission of the chair, I would like to start my talk on ship-based compound as an inhibitors in digestive juice. On behalf of my all team, I am presenting this research work in front of you. The outline of my presentation is introduction, objective, methodology, result and discussions, expected outcomes, and benefit of the society, conclusion. As we know, the ship-based compounds are widely applicable in different biological fields: anti-cancer, antibacterial, antifungal, antioxidant. But anti-enzymatic area is not explored or less explored. So we have focused in this area, and the present work deals about the synthesis of cinnamaldehyde 4-phenyl-thiocyanate compound and their complexes with transition metal, cobalt and nickel. As all we know, our digestive system is very important, and during the digestion, different type of juices are released by the digestive system from the saliva, intestine, small intestine, pancreas and liver. And this digestive juice contain the enzymes because they are very important in the metabolism of our food, and they convert the large molecule into small molecule in the digestion process. So when the enzymes are present, we have a different type of enzyme in the digestive juice. Some is proteolytic enzyme, they are the pepsin and trypsin. They convert protein into peptide, and carbohydrate enzymes, they convert the carbohydrate compound starch into sugar, that is amylase. And we have lipolytic enzymes, the example is lipase, and they convert fatty acid into glycerol and amino acid. So in this way, the study focus on 4 enzymes which is very important for the digestion of our body. They are pepsin, trypsin, lipase and amylase. As we know, in the present scenario, the metabolic disorder is increasing day by day because of the fast-paced life, obesity, heart disease, and the diabetes is more common things. So there is need to inhibit these enzymes which secretes by the process. So we can use the ship-based compound, and the research is focused on that. First study is the objective of my study is synthesis of novel ship-based ligand and their complexes. Then how we can apply these ship-based compound to find as inhibitors for digestive juice. Then find out the appropriate inhibitors for such things. And the last part is very advanced part, that is the commercialization of the product. As we know, the ship-based compound is a condensation product of aldehyde, ketone and primary amine. This is already presented over here. And when ship-base is formed, there is formation of azomethane linkage, because H2 will remove from here, H2 from there and O from there, they will form C double bond N. This bond is very much useful for the biological activities. That's why they are widely applicable in this area. So in my research, first we have synthesized the ligand in equimolar ratio of cinnamaldehyde and 4-phenyl-thiocyanate. Basically, the sulfur group is very prone or active for the biological activity. That's why they are useful as an anti-cancer as well as in different biological field, and that's why we have selected. Similarly, the cinnamaldehyde is having a lot of medicinal values. That's why we have selected the aldehyde. And the work is patented as well as copyright, whatever I am explaining here. So in this way, we have select aldehyde and ketone taken in the equimolar amount, and they were dissolved and reflux on the heating mantle for 100 degrees centigrade for 2 hours. A white color precipitate is observed that we have filtered and dried and washed with the acetone and sometimes with ether, and then it is characterized by the different physicochemical methods. And the same ligand which I have prepared is cinnamaldehyde 4-phenyl-thiocyanate is used for the synthesis of the transition metal complexes of cobalt and copper. As you know, the transition metal complex is having a very good complexing agent with the ligand. So the complex is formed with the help of this ligand, and the ratio is 1:1 and 1.